Yeah, everyone, it was all going fine until like a few minutes ago. If anyone knows how to shut off the water, that'd be great. I got a big problem going on. It's not good. The grass is coming in, but this is not good. Not good at all. Everything was going great, like I said, until I hit the pipe, and it doesn't seem to want to shut off. So any suggestions, I'd really appreciate it. I tried in the garage. This one, it runs down this way. It probably comes down through here over to here. I'm assuming it's in the garage, but... Okay, everyone, thank you for... Hey, I want to say thank you, Mike, for the comment. I was able to turn this off. Yes, it was not good. It's a very scary moment, I should say, because, well, you saw the mess. You didn't hear anything. I put a lot of effort into this, like a fair amount of effort. It was a lot of work. I was towards the very end, and look, it's all screwed up. I have the pipe over there. What I was doing was I was getting the line to go over here for a sprinkler head right here and a sprinkler head right there. The pickaxe I was using, and I better not walk on this because it's not good right now. See that hole right there? Yeah, that's what happened. I hit it, and it ruptured. And this is the main line to the house as well. So I'm curious why they use PVC. And I'm no landscaper or plumber, as you can as you can tell. But yeah. So what a mess. What a mess, and goes all the way down over there. So now I'm kind of in recovery mode because I need to fix the main line. Yeah, there's a lot of water. The problem is the pipe glue. It's going to have an issue. And it is bad news, everybody. Bad news. It's not going well. Oh, man. So that means hopefully this water settles soon. But I'm going to try and fix this. And it's right there. What a blunder. This is all my mistake. This could have been prevented. D.I.Y gone wrong. I'm telling you. And the water main, I thought it was for the house, inside the house. No. Actually, it's right there. Yeah. I had to use a painting tool to open it. So, yeah, it was a very concerning moment when you have a large pipe that's busted open. And there it is. Right there. That little hole caused so much damage. At least the stucco's not screwed up. Man, oh man. Oh. I had a moment of my D.I.Y project going bad. Crisis averted, but yeah, so right now I turned on the main line. The main line is on, water is flowing. I have not put the pipe glue on it yet. I just wanted to make sure that I cut it properly and that there wouldn't be any issues. So no issues at all. I didn't even need the PVC pipe that I thought I would. But yeah, this is kind of confusing. So earlier when I was working on my project, the initial courtyard project, not the side backyard project, I thought to myself, okay, I came across this pipe and I noticed, all right, it's 3/4, but this goes to zone 2 right there. So I'm like, okay, well, there shouldn't be an issue. This is zone 1, zone 2. I didn't want to overload zone 1, and this isn't an issue at all. But I saw this piping, and I'm like, okay, well, it goes from like zone 2 this way, and down this way, and out that way, right? And the grass, it's coming in perfectly. Like, it's absolutely amazing. But back to the piping, though. So I had an issue. It was broken. But yeah, I had to turn it off at the street. And I attempted to use the pickaxe to, open up the cement cover. And unfortunately, it didn't work, so I had to use a paintbrush, like a little slip on the metal part, and it worked. But yes, so I'm kind of waiting for everything to dry just a little bit. I'm turning off the water to the main line. In fact, we can go do that together. Yeah, I got really panicked because it was quite a lot of water coming out, and nothing was working to shut it off. And yeah, so the trench, it's drying out. It's a muddy mess, and I need to fix it because zone 2 will go off, and I'm probably not going to finish it today. I don't have enough time or daylight, because what I'm doing is I'm having like one line go down, since the side of the yard, it's not that large. It's like 5 feet right in here. Yeah, literally 5 feet. So it's coming out, and then I have a piece going out this way, then I'm going to alternate a piece going out that way, and so on for the lawn. And that's what I was working on right here, because this was such a tight space. It was very difficult. This is cement, so when I was using the pickaxe, it hit and it slipped. And yeah, one little touch put a little hole in it, and gallons later, here I am. But sometimes things go well, sometimes they don't. And in this case, it went well up to a certain point, so we can't be too negative. And it is fixed, so there's really not an issue. I have, my pipe glue. So I'm using Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue, PVC pipe cement. Works very well. Made here in the USA, that's right. So yes, I'm going to take the pipe glue and glue this. I'm going to turn off the water, so we'll go turn off the water this way. We'll do it in a second, because this community, apparently it's a little fickle about DIY projects when it comes to plumbing. So I'm going to check one thing so we can go in the backyard. Yeah, it's quite a mess, everyone. I was not happy when this happened. In fact, you saw I was quite panicked. I'm like, oh my gosh. Crisis averted, though. Crisis averted. So yeah, I need to get a part, so that's why I'm coming this way. Yeah, when you make a mess, it's never fun. And yeah, it's a perfect afternoon. I got completely soaked. It's not hot, but I wasn't freezing, and I'm dry now. So, yeah. But this is the water. It came you can see all the way to here. Whoa. Putting on my slides. People go, why are you working, in slides? Well, I'm in the mud, so that's why. I'm I'm gonna put the cap back on this. This was kind of easy. It wasn't that hard to do. But all of this was underwater. All the electrical. It's yeah, you got to be careful because this wants to fall. And my PVC, I'm gonna have to clean it off. It's all screwed up. I don't want to have like rocks and stuff in there because that could affect the sprinklers. So, but yeah, the grass it's coming in nicely. Yeah. Wow, what a mess. What a mess, everyone. But it's working. Yeah, it's working. So now, okay, we'll go turn off the water. So this is where it was at. So right here in the street. And I should have noticed too, because it's blue right here. It's an indication. I'm trying to think. So yeah, that way if emergency services or something, it's right here. And yeah, I see another blue indicator right there. So yeah, the water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here, turn it all the way, open, close, and yeah, this is what caused the damage right here. That tip right there. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to put down my pickaxe. Use the pipe glue to fix everything. And yeah. But what a mess.